Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to enable browser pop-ups on iPhone. So first of all, you need to open the iPhone settings. Now tap on settings to open the main menu settings. Once in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Safari and tap on it. Inside the Safari settings, look for the toggle switch next to block pop-ups. To enable pop-up blocking, simply tap on the toggle switch, making sure it turns from gray to green. If you ever wish to disable pop-up blocking, follow the same steps and toggle the switch back to the gray position. Now, if you are using Google Chrome, locate the Google Chrome application on your iPhone's home screen and tap on it to open the browser. Once in Chrome, look for the three horizontal dots in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on them. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Content Settings and tap on it. Inside the Content Settings, locate and tap on the option labeled Block Pop-ups. Ensure that the toggle switch for blocking pop-ups is turned off. If it is in the green position, tap on it to switch it to gray. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.